it's Ian from Las Vegas Scooters and Lifts, and today I'm finishing off my part 3 of the Elite Traveler project. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, my name's Ian, this is my workshop, and I deal with mobility scooters, power wheelchairs, lift chairs and such other like. So if you like this sort of content, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. We are here to help everybody out there who has these things. This is an Elite Traveler project that I'm working on. This is the third part of this, can't really call it a series. Yeah, so I'm just finishing off this. Still got a bit of covering up to do on the seat. So this is going to be just the final touch-ups of this scooter that I'm reconditioning. I asked Drew to paint my panels for me. I told him root beer brown, and he did. He painted them root beer brown, but I changed my mind. I decided to go a different colour, and so I'm going to not rush him into doing those. He can take his time with those. I'm just going to put some silver panels that I've got on this scooter. So yeah, they can wait. To be honest, so I've got these grey panels that I'm going to put on there. I've already put that one on. But this is going to be the final clean up after reassembly. Just got the seat, put the batteries in, put the basket on and the charger. Take it for a test drive, make sure everything's okay, because this is the transaxle from the transaxle video I did regarding what to look for, and it's the one I rebuilt. Let's see if it works, make sure it's okay. Like I say, I'm putting brand new batteries in it, and then it will go up for sale. Just trying to get this paint marks off of this armrest. Pretty stubborn. I think this is a wall paint. It's probably some other kind of oil-based paint. It's getting a bit stubborn. Normally alcohol fishes it off, but this one's being a bit stubborn. This is the seat from the Sport rebuild. What you got from Miss Jennifer?
I got Napoleon's seat.
Oh, okay.
And so.
You know what the seat cover's putting on? Yep. No, just a seat cover change. Right. Where was I? Yeah, trying to get this off. Nearly done. Perfect, but it'll do. Bit of paint on there. These don't suffer with curb rash, it's door rash. Touch up on the armrest. I'm not going to put new pads on it. It's going to be a cheap quick sale. Just covering up the worst of it. Go to somebody that needs it, who wants a cheap scooter. Touching the paint scrapes so they're not so noticeable. Just give the seat covers a quick once over. Looks dingy. Final touches on the plastic shrouds before I put the coloured shrouds on. So if you've got any questions about scooters, drop us an email, sales@lasvegaslifts.com. If you've got any questions about scooters, want a price for a scooter, you want to drop in and see us, sales at Las Vegas Scooters and Lifts. I usually try and answer all the comments that I get. Questions on YouTube, sometimes on Messenger, Facebook. I don't really use Instagram that much. I've got too much to do here. This is my main job, fixing, repairing and selling. Yeah, so if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. If you see something that you may want to purchase, we can arrange drop shipping, or you can come into the store and test drive one of these scooters. We'll help you out. Just the final touch up. So, the first video was back end, the second one was the front end and the top and the tiller to get all that sorted out. And this final one is just the seat and the final clean up the panels. So these panels, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just clean these up a little bit. These have been sat in my cupboard there for a few years. They don't make them grey anymore, just blue and red. These are just spare ones. Just a bit of polish on them, shine them up. And they just click into place just there. Pretty easy to put on. You just go in there and hold on with a bit of strong Velcro at the top there. That's the one with the cutout for the brake, so you know which side that goes. So, like I say, I've already put this one on. Give that a polish. And it's just the top console cover. It just hooks over the top like that and then pops down. Now for the batteries. Alrighty. Well, the battery's ready there. Got the battery case on the floor with the new sticky Velcro in there. These are brand new batteries from my supplier. So you don't get a scooter with used old batteries in them. They are brand new and will be date marked. Yeah, for some reason when these sit for a while, these lights sometimes take a while to scroll up. But that one's okay now. It was really slow at first, like bleh. But yeah, horn works. Brakes clicking away. Just give that a little clean up on that seat. I missed that. Just a bit of crud in there. That was one of our very first customers back in 2014. Unfortunately, his mum's just passed away. I think she was 90 odd. Yeah, he's one of our very first customers. Very nice guy. Yeah, when I was working with the other guy who was one of our first customers I went out to, and he's got a Celebrity X 4-wheel, I believe, and that thing's still going strong. I think I've replaced his battery twice in 8 years, something like that. Yeah, nice guy. Really liked Napoleon and his wife. They always come to us for anything scooter related. I think he's got about 4 scooters. So they keep me busy. But anyway, back to this. Let's take this for a spin. Make sure there's nothing untoward going on with it. And this will wrap up this video. See if I can drive it out. Not sure. Yeah, nice and slow. Oh, that was me. There we go. Ooh, it's nippy. This is the transaxle I rebuilt. Whee! No noises. Pretty good. Not bad for parts and pieces. Let's take it. It's a bit cooler here today. It's June. The microphone's about to run out of batteries, but so I won't be out here long. Just go for a little trundle around the car park. Yeah, it's a little bit overcast today. A bit very on Vegas-like. Yeah, typical 4 miles an hour. I say I haven't charged these batteries. These are brand new out of the box, and they're never fully charged. So, yep, seems to be performing okay. I was here till about 11:30 last night, helping Drew out. He's come back from his vacation. He's got a stack of work on, so I'm helping him out for a little bit. Stripped the guitar and did a fretboard on the guitar. Addressed that, made sure that was all okay. He said he was going to come in early. It's 10 to 10, he's not here yet. This is his shop. That's Victor's place, PCA and hands-on. Nice guy. Yeah, that's all the mess I made last night. Yep, goes up the hill okay. Doesn't whine. Motor's not whining. Not the fastest scooter in the world, they never are these. I'm sorry if there's any wind noise, I'll try and put the phone in front of the microphone. American Airlines coming in. I used to have a Mercedes, mine did that. Sagged at the back end. It's those expensive struts they put on them. I think they're oil filled, gas filled, or I don't know. But mine failed. Got rid of that car. Alright, so that seems all good. Turn the speed down a little bit so I don't go running into the door. Alright, let's see if I can get it right. Back a bit, back a bit. There we go. Here's the foot. And here we go. In safe and sound. Horns working, got a key, got a basket, got a charger. Let's put it on the sales floor. That's sold. A man from here in Las Vegas in Pahrump, he bought that. He's bought that in a lift. That's very nice of him. Thank you very much. I just hope it's not too hot when I install the lift. But yeah, that's all good. I'll just park it here at the front so I can finish off. Got my boot prints all over it. But yeah, I've got a grey one, silver grey. Yeah, it's not 100%, they never are, but it's good enough for somebody who needs to put a transportable scooter in the car and do a little bit of driving around. New batteries, new transaxle basically. It's rebuilt, works perfectly. So, yeah, front wheels are fine. Like I said, the seat's a little bit worn, but there's no major rips in it. It's still comfortable to sit on. And your top console. Yep, so from here in dull Las Vegas in June, it's been uncannily cold. It was 69 degrees, I think, this morning when we woke up. Very cold for Vegas. But anyway, yeah, for this video, it's a 3-part video. Hope you've enjoyed watching it, me putting parts together to make a working scooter. So that's what we do here at Las Vegas Scooters and Lifts. We sell new and reconditioned ones. So if it's something you need, here we are. If you just need some information, please come and see us. We'll help as much as we can. So if you like this video, like, share it with your friends, and hopefully they'll become subscribers and be a subscriber. So if you watch these videos and you find them informative, give us that like, share and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and any questions, drop them in the comments. If there's any parts that you want, oh, Mr. Popo just pulled up. If he's stopping that to talk to that driver there. I am nosy. You just see the back of his car sticking out there. Yeah, but anyway. Things happening. Ooh. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll answer as best as I can. And drop us an email if you need more information on scooters or parts or something like that. And yeah, we do sell parts. I've put a link in the description below for our eBay store. We haven't got a lot of parts for sale, but if we do have parts, we'll list them there, and that's what we've got. So it takes me a while to strip things down, and it takes Jenny a while to list them on eBay. But yeah, there's a link in the description for any parts that we do have for sale. And that way it's easier for you and us for us to ship them out to you, and you can get some parts for your scooter. So till next time, keep on rolling. Bye now.